Um, I bring greeting to every one of you. May God bless you. Permit me to react on the comment credited to Mr. President. Please allow me to fix one or two things. Okay. Welcome on board. I bring greetings to each and every one of you. Today, I want to react on the statement of Mr. President. Those of you on Instagram, please share the video and God will bless you.
Moral Interactive, Jovika TV, poised to reach you with the truth.
On the comment that was credited to Mr. President, I was astonished. I was flabbergasted. I am surprised. I was stunned. It was ridiculous. That was the high tension of it all. War has been declared. These were comments, reactions from many people for the comment that was made by Mr. President. Fortunately or unfortunately to me, I was not surprised. I was not flabbergasted. Ask me why. Why will I be surprised for knowing somebody that I know for a long time? That is his way of doing things. You know, I have attracted enmity to myself because of when he was campaigning for election. As somebody who has lived in the North, I have heard stories about him. I've also read stories about him and what he did in the past. I know that this man can never be the person to be trusted to give him the saddle of power. So even when I saw his campaign, I was against him coming as in power. So many people hated me. So many people who loved me that we are living together because of this particular of my action, they stopped communicating with me. I became their enemy. But today, I have been vindicated by what is happening today. I've been vindicated when I said this man is not going to deliver. Look at where he's heading to. I was hated, but look at where we are now. That was one of the reasons why I'm not surprised by that particular comment or statement from him. Number two thing why I am not surprised, I remember the story I heard about him when he won the election. I heard from a reliable source that when he won the election, group of people came to meet him. Those are, according to the story, they said they are his in-laws. They came to meet with him to appreciate, to congratulate him on the victory at the pool. As I heard the story, they came to see him. This man refused to come out to see his in-laws. I wasn't there when it happened. I wasn't there when it happened. So they waited and waited for a long time, sitting at the sit-out of the Aso Villa. And this man wasn't coming out for anything. At the very last time, he called his heirs and said, who are those people? They told him. He came out and talked to them and said, whom are you looking for? They said, we came to congratulate you for the victory at poll. Do you know what he told them? He said, Where were you people when I lost election for 3 good times? You are coming now to congratulate me. And he left them there and went back to his room, according to the story, and gave an order nobody should use anything from the villa to entertain these people. That if you do anything to entertain them, I will deduct it from your salary. Somebody who just won election. So when I heard that story, it confirmed what I was saying, that this man, his heart is behind him. So that was why when he made this statement, I was not shocked, I was not surprised, I was not flabbergasted. I expected it. In fact, he was even polite the way he presented the sound of war. He was even polite. We have to appreciate him for being so polite this time around. So what am I trying to say? That is his kind of person. Why will he be surprised? You forgot the incident that just happened, or a lot of incidences that have taken place in the country so far. A group of people, the sheikhs, they came to protest, a peaceful protest. Many of them were slaughtered and killed, imprisoned. Have you forgotten about that? Have you forgotten when a group of people, IPOP, came to protest, ordinary protest with flag? They were all shot dead. Many of them were shot dead. Not 2, not 3, not 4. Different occasions. What of the recent one, MNA? People were on their own, having their meeting. They went there and shot them. Why will he be surprised? Why will he be surprised that they declared Egweke in the same place, southeast? They declared Python dance severally, and people were dying. So why will he be surprised? So that has been his way, killing. Why will he be surprised? Okay, if you think maybe the hatred is just for the Igbos, if the wickedness is just for the Igbos or the Southeast, well, now, what about the NSAS protests? When children of a man that should be a father came and said, Father, please, we are tired of police brutality. They are killing us innocently. We need a stop to this. He sent the same police and military to shoot those people that were complaining. More than 80 people were shot dead. And their corpses, some of their corpses taken away. And when the people ask, you say, where are the corpses? Because they've taken them away. Why will he be surprised with that statement, with this kind of person? Then people expected him to address the nation in the midst of all this chaos. He saw the statement. After his statement, everybody became silent. Everybody now knew that we are somebody, I don't know how to put it. I don't believe in insulting people. But I want to tell you that the guy you are dealing with has no regard for you. He has no regard for human beings. He loves cows more than cows, and the cattle rearers more than human beings. And that is his nature. So he wouldn't expect much from that kind of person. So that's why I'm not surprised by that statement. But I want to tell him, he shouldn't think that the way it was, that's the way it's continued to be. Yes, he had declared war on the Southeasterners, but it shouldn't be the same thing. This now was one of the reasons I went on air to counter what a fellow priest said, Reverend Father Mbaka, when he was promoting him, saying he's the Messiah. But thank God today, what I was saying have been confirmed. And he too has realized himself. And thank God for him. Though we are still expecting an apology for all those that was misled to vote this man into power. We still expect the apology. So I know him very well, but he should remember that 1965 or 67 is not 2021. They are not the same. The difference is the material is so deep. Hence, he shouldn't think he had all the monopoly of destruction. The story was there how he was in the southeast then, shooting people and killing during the war. And he came say those of us who stayed there, he confirmed that he said if he killed us, that he will give us the language we understand. No problem. But I am not too bothered about him. My own worry are the Southerners. The Southerners, when I talk about this, both the Yorubas and the Igbo nation, all the groups, they shouldn't think that this is just for the Igbos. No. If you keep quiet, that is just for the Igbos. The killing at Lekki was not meant for the Igbos alone. And they shot everybody they saw. Bullets don't know brother, don't know relation, don't know sister. When it leaves the trigger, it can hit anybody. So I want to call all the Southerners. That's why I'm so appreciative of all the Southern governors for sitting that together for the very first time to discuss a way forward. You can see the result and the reaction because of that meeting that was held by the governors. They want to they saw it that the hell has been let loose just because of the people came together. The same vein I want to plead with them. We should continue to come together and discuss how to protect our territory. The genocide is already ongoing, but they are doing it silently. I know some of my colleagues, friends, brothers that have been killed, taken away, unknown destination. They are nowhere to be found till today. The viral one was the guy who came back from Hamburg, a friend, went to the village and did all his occasion to go back and catch up his flight back to Germany. They shot him dead. And according to the story, an Air Force man shot him dead on his way to airport. And that is how he lost his life. These are the things that is going on, and nobody's talking about it. So the Southeastern governors, congratulations for realizing the truth. So standing on the ground and they say this open grazing must stop. But of exceptional to Governor Hope Uzodinma, you are in the power now, you may not be in power tomorrow. I want to plead with you and I call you to please, this is time to work with the people. You are the only governor that because of the insurgencies that just happened in your area, you just went and brought the military with their helicopter, with their rocket or whatever, started shooting in Odo. But these people have been killing police, burning police station, destroying mosques and so many things in the northeast, northeast and north south, and all the northern part of the country. None of the government has invited the military to come and destroy them. But you did it to your own people. Mark my word. A prophecy was said about Governor Hope Uzodinma that he is not going to go for the second term. But I don't think it's going to be possible for him to finish even the first time. It's not prophecy. That is what my mind tells me. That's what I wish him. Because the way he went about killing innocent souls out of anger is not, and the killing is still going on, the dehumanization is still going on. He has done nothing to that. He said he's trying to control the insurgencies. I want to plead with him and call on him. It is time to work with the people. Leave your enemy. The statement of the president should let Governor Hope Uzodinma to know that the war is against his people. He should leave those areas, come back to his people before it will be too late. Now to our people, those who are in freedom fighting levels, I want to plead with you guys. This is not the time to begin to apportion blame to anybody. This is not the time to begin to tell this person, you did this, you did that, you caused the war, your action. Yes, I am not disputing the fact that so many people are going in the wrong way. They must have done their mistake to attract what is happening to us. But let me tell us, this is not the time to begin to say you have caused what is happening to us. That is all I'm saying. This is not the right time. Let us face reality that this destruction is coming to all of us. If you keep quiet, that is maybe those who attracted the trouble should carry it. When they come to kill, they don't ask you who is a member of this particular group or the other group. All they know is you are an Igbo man, they will kill you. And if that is the way they're destroying, so, and if you're going to be a witness that so many people that have been killed now are innocent, they don't know whatever they call agitation. Many people, they don't even believe in the group that they fight in, any of the groups. So that's why I want to call all the freedom fighters and those who believe in freedom. Are you in the group of the IPOP? You're in the group of Emeka Siri. You're in the group of Ninas, of our brother Tony Nari. You're in the group of Wazrike. Let us bury our hatchet, forgive one another, and work in unity to fight our common enemy. We shouldn't be our enemy to ourselves. We should come together, forgive one another, or keep our head, keep our offenses by the side. Join hands together to defend this particular war that has been declared on Igbo nation. I plead with you. I am talking as a spiritual father, and I want to give this advice. Let us bury our misunderstandings and join hands together to defend the land God has given to us. When we get what we're looking for, we cannot look for who caused the problem and who didn't cause it. In a football pitch, if a defender or an attacker stupidly push the ball to the enemy, and the enemy is coming to score the goal, the defender will not say, look at that striker, look at what he did. He couldn't even dribble that guy. You went and gave him the ball. Look at he's coming to score. And you stand still for them to come and score you goal. You still do your best to stop the guy from scoring. Because it's a teamwork. I want to play. Let's do a teamwork at this time around. Let's unite. Forgive one another. Join hands with all the agitating leaders. Let's join hands together. Forget about who is causing trouble. This guy is causing trouble. He wants to kill all people. He's the one attracting this enemy. No! The hatred has been there. 1967 should have told you that it didn't start today. And if somebody out of his own way of doing things overreacted, that is increasing the killing, leave blame alone for now. Let's fight our common enemy. Let's join hands together to see if we can defend our land. They want us wiped away from that land. I told us in one of my videos, they said that when they made their consultation in the realm of the spirit, they told them your greatest challenge and problem is going to be the Igbos. Therefore, they should remove the Igbo from the face of it so that they can take over Nigeria completely as their own nation. A word is enough for a wife. I want to raise my case for now. Let's be our brother's keeper. This is not the time to fight our brothers. Let this message go to all our sundry. President Buhari, let him know that 1967 is not 1921. They should go ahead and be killing. But this God who created this group of people will never keep quiet and watch you destroy them, remove them from the light. It can never work. If God be for us, somebody can be against us, but you will not win. The victory shall be ours if we can unite together and be ourselves. Thank you, my wonderful people. This is my message for every and one of us. May God help us to fight this battle and win it at last by the grace of God. May God bless and keep you and protect you. In the name of God the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you. This is my message for everybody. God bless you.
Moral Interactive, Jovika TV, poised to reach you with the truth.